Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you sweet tea recipe in Grow a Garden Cooking Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have just unlocked a sweet tea recipe on my recipe book and I'm going to show you the recipe. I'm going to open up the sweet tea. Okay, and this is for the recipe guys. For the herbal base, you will need this plants. Okay, but for your information, you don't need to collect all the plants. You can use some of them for the herbal base. Okay, and these are the flowers or the fruits that you can collect to create or to cook sweet tea. Wait, let me show you. Okay, basically you can use the flower like rose and then soft sunshine and rosy delight, serenity, orange tulip, taro flower, rain petals and flare, and so on. Okay, even you can use the daffodil and lilac. And then for the sweetener, you can use fruit like peach, grape, raspberry, sugar apple, pear, blueberry, watermelon, mango, crown melon, strawberry, spiked mango, moon melon, pineapple, and banana. So you can combine the ingredients to create or to cook sweet tea. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.